Welcome back, guys. Right now I'm going to be making my person with more better stuff. Change his face. It looks freaking retarded. Okay, so
I'm about to change my skin color, guys. I know that sounds a little racist, but YOLO. I think he looks pretty good. Ooh, look at that ass. He got a fat ass, don't he, guys? What's up, the priesters?
I'm gonna be a weird
Hey, we gotta find
guy.
we gotta find names of that we want our people to like our subscribers to call our subscribers.
I'm gonna have this manly face because I'm a man.
I'm like, what's up, what's up, D gang? Yeah.
I'm turning into a man now. Yeah.
Okay,
Such a man.
Okay, before I get to the game, I have a new announcement.
I'm gonna have a.
Everybody who watches my videos are now known as the D gang. All right.
I'm gonna turn into a toy, y'all.
All right, I'm done with my avatar. Actually, make it really high.
Oh, look.
Make it really skinny. Jake Paul made his video. Okay. I want to be blue. It's like.
Now, let's see if my arms look the way they're supposed to. Yeah! Now I'm gonna go play! What is it called again? Teacher. I'm kidding, I know what it's called.
It's called Speedrun Adventures, my recent.
Here we go.
Alright, guys, I'm here at the game, and we're about to play. So, I'm trying not to put my fingers anyway, but... Here we go! Here we go! I'm sorry, Jake Paul. I'm still on your shit. Oh, and I might start vlogging. I never know. Let me turn off this music.
Look at my epic body. Yeah.
I'm gonna turn off this music because it like gets in the way of me talking. But I'll keep it like this so y'all can still hear it, kinda. But Dupree, why are you leaving me? But yeah, he left me knowing that I'm better than him. No, I'm just kidding. He introduced me to this game. He actually is better than me in this one.
But he's still. I'm already on the second one.
Bro, wow. Slow down, bro.
No.
You know I'm a noob. No, I'm a noob.
Noob.
Shut up. Cause you're a bigger noob than me. I played Roblox longer than you, idiot.
Yeah, at least I'm not a newbie to a game that if you played longer than me.
This was just made a couple of days ago.
No, it wasn't.
When was it made?
Like a long time ago. I played it last year.
You're right. Mother Russia. So yeah, guys, that's the first level.
So yeah, guys, this is the 4th level.
You're not on the 4th level already.
I'm on stage 4.
I fucking hate stage 4. Come on, make that jump. This, I'm probably gonna name this Rage because I'm gonna get really pissed. Sorry guys for my language, but I played this a little bit ago with the same person, this noob, and yeah, I pretty much rage quitted. Hopefully I won't do that again. Cause I'm a black dude. Black people don't quit this season.
Yeah, they can. Some retarded black people.
Did you call black people retarded? You're racist, you white crap. No, I was kidding. He's black, his dad's black. My dad subscribed to my channel because I told him I'm losing subscribers.
I'm on stage 6, y'all.
Dupree, I was.
The fuck, nigga?
You like my laugh? Hit that thumbs up button if you like my laugh. If you don't, unsubscribe from this fucking channel, faggot. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna cut that out. Nah, I can't do that.
Yeah, you can. This video, I'm gonna try not to cuss, okay? Yeah. And like,
Impossible challenge.
it's
You're saying that like it's an impossible challenge. Oh! I'm doing perfectly fine. I'm just on stage 2!
and I'm on stage 6, y'all.
I'm pausing until I get to stage 6. You're a cheater.
I'm not.
I don't know why I can't beat this level no more. It's acting dumb ever since I changed my character. Like making me jump for no reason! Calm down, DJ.
Yeah, calm down, DJ. Nope. This game doesn't like me anymore for some
I rage
reason.
quitted.
This game does not like. I'm leaving. I'm gonna go to a different game. Let's see what that game's gonna be. I'm gonna do some obbies, like.
No, my recent. Go to my recent. We're gonna do the same one. Go to. Slenderman. Hey, let's play Slenderman maze now.
We're gonna do the Slenderman obby.
No, let's do the Slenderman maze. If you don't do the Slenderman maze, you're disappointing all your fans.
I don't have to do the maze.
Slenderman maze. Why you looking at my phone like you ain't got a computer? You stupid and you a student. A student ought to be a shooter. Ah. Thunderbolt City, you know where you're from.
How do you get to VIP? I want to be Slenderman. And... Oh, DJ.
Am I there? Am I in your game?
No. Yeah, DJ's like being a real crazy little psycho. Like he won't fix his phone. He dropped it like 5 times.
Gonna rotate the window for you stupid retarded. A nigga go dumb and watch out. I just stupid. You numb. Chop I just stupid. You numb. Gonna finish. Gonna listen to what I had around drum.
Fudge.
Dupree, we're not friends.
We are. No, because we're brothers.
No, I'm talking about Roblox.
Yeah.
Because I can't join your game. Better jump around the corner, nigga. Better run.
You're in my game. What the fuck? I thought that was you.
Bro, I'm not one of your friends.
There you are. You only got 2 friends, nigga.
You were one of them. You unfriended me.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. Stop, nigga. Fuck you.
Accept it.
Gosh.
It's right there.
DJ's being a little motherfucker again.
I'm sorry, guys.
Gosh. He freaking accepted me as his friend. Now, on the computer. So now I have to do it again. What?
Accept.
I did. Stop.
Press low, dummy.
No.
You're gonna get to back where you were. Were you just there? Was that the farthest you got?
Yeah.
I'm not playing Roblox no more.
Fine. Such a disappointment.
Yeah, guys, Dupree said he's a mega faggot and he'll suck your dick for $5.
No, I'm not gay like him, so
I was like, if you could suck any one of your friends' dicks, which ones would you suck? He's like, I'll suck all of them as long as they give me $5. So if you're one of Dupree's subscribers, please unsubscribe for this channel. And go subscribe to DJ Killin 12. He's not as much as a perv and a homo as him, so
I'm not gay like DJ.
bye-bye.
He's making that up because he's a gay faggot. Like,
He's mad because he's a pulse nigga and he can't get no girlfriend.
I got 21.
Speaking of that, about my girlfriend.
No one gives a fuck about your girlfriend.
Shut the hell up before I make you suck my cock.
I'm not gay like you.
She keeps texting me and shit. And I told her to stop texting me. I guess she doesn't know I'm getting broken up with this. Cause she dumps everybody she dates. But now she loves me.
What? Go, you stupid freaking piece of crap.
No, dead serious, look. Look! Look, Dupree! Hey! Hey! Look!
Oh, yeah.
Shut up! Look. Hold on.
Nigga, you're thirsty.
Hold on. I wonder what she said. Is she mad at me? I hope she is. Send me an oof if you don't hate me.
Maybe she doesn't send you an oof.
No, I didn't send her an oof. So
She said send you an oof if you hate her.
I ain't got the guts to say you beautiful.
You ugly. You ugly.
Hit me up ASAP.
And your mom's a joke.
You know what?
Yeah, this video's about to end like...
Since she
I can't even make it past stage 5.
Since she cheated on me. Boom. Boom. Who else should I? Boom. Ding. 3 girls besides her. I'm calling 3 other girls beautiful. That's what you call payback, my dudes. If any dude is watching this, try this at home. If a girl ever pranks or actually cheats on you, and she thinks you don't know about it, you a side chick, nigga. And Dupree, I bet you didn't know I could do this I bet you didn't know I could do this. Look.
What?
Map.
Cool.
I know where everybody lives. Let's see who's in this house. Look at this. There's me, Amy, and Leo.
Who's Amy?
Javier's brother. Javier's sister. What do you want?
Why the fuck are you on Snapchat with her?
Hi. Cause she added me on Snapchat when her and Gabe was dating. Hey, remember when Gabe was like, I was like, Gabe, where's your boyfriend? And he was like, Amy. I was like, Gabe, who's your boyfriend? Amy. That shit was funny. You got a triple chain faggot.
Who?
Oh.
No! Let me go! Look at my manly face. Let's see if I can make it past before